आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, today we have question here from magnetics. Two long parallel wires carrying currents 2.5 amperes and 1 I amperes in the same direction are held PQ such that they are perpendicular to the plane of paper. The PQ are the distance are at distance 5 and 2 meters from collinear point R. Now electron is moving with velocity 4 into 10 power 5 along the positive x direction, experiences a force of 3.2 into 10 power minus 20 at R. Find the position at which the third parallel wire carrying 2.5 current placed so that magnetic field at R is 0. So I will use a new paper because this is a very big problem. Okay, so let us say one conductor is like this, another conductor is at here, and R is here. Okay, here they have given this is 5 meters and this is 2 meters. Okay, and current flowing at here is I and current flowing at here is 2.5 amperes. हमको क्या पता है? Ampere's law. B bar dot dl bar is equal to mu naught into I enclosed. Okay, now if I say I current is flowing through a conductor, now I need to find magnetic field at a distance r. Okay, now magnetic field at distance r is equal to B is equal to mu naught into I by 2 pi r. Okay, because dl is 2 pi r. Okay, circumference. So B into 2 pi r is equal to mu naught into I enclosed is I. So B is equal to mu naught into I by 2 pi r. Okay, now this is into the page of the paper. So at this point R there is electron. Its velocity is equal to 4 into 10 power 5. It experiences force of that 3.2 into 10 power minus 20 newtons. Okay, so now F is equal to how much? Q into V bar cross B bar. Okay, this B bar is came from this conductor, this current carrying conductor and this current carrying conductor. ओके, यहाँ पे B टोटल BP प्लस BQ होता है, राइट. सो BT इज इक्वल टू BP प्लस BQ. ओके, नाउ यहाँ पे ये ऐसा इस डायरेक्शन में वेलोसिटी है और नाउ डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अबाउट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कंडक्टर इज लाइक दिस, बिकॉज ऑफ राइट हैंड थंब रूल. ओके, नाउ अबाउट दिस ऑल्सो इट विल बी लाइक दिस. सो एंगल इज 90 degrees. Okay, so this is equal to QVB. Okay, sin theta is 90, sin 90 is equal to 1. Okay, so BT is equal to BP plus BQ. So BT is equal to BP means mu naught into IP. IP means how much? 2.5. Okay, divided by 2 pi into R is how much distance? 5. Okay, so this is one time, this is 2 times. Okay, this is mu naught by I into 2 pi into how much distance? 2. Okay, so this is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into I plus 1. Okay, I plus 1, right? So this is the B total value. Okay, we have F is equal to QVB. Okay, F is equal to QVB. F is equal to 3.2 into 10 power minus 20. Already they have given. Okay, it is an electron, so 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 is the charge. Okay, magnitude. Okay, we are considering magnitude. And velocity कितना दिया है? 4 into 10 power 5. Okay, into B total is nothing but mu naught by 4 pi into I plus 1. Okay, now this is 2 times. Okay, and this is 10 power minus 1. Okay, this is 10 power minus 6. Okay, so this is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 7 is equal to mu naught by 4 pi means 10 power minus 7 into I plus 1. Okay, so now I is equal to कितना? 4 amperes. Okay, so our diagram will be like this. यहाँ पे 2.5 amperes current and यहाँ पे 4 amperes current, यहाँ पे R point. So this distance is 3 meters. Okay, this distance is 5 meters and this distance is 2 meters. Okay, this is P, Q and R. Okay, now in second question they have given us there is a other current carrying conductor where suppose let us say this is placed at the here point and total magnetic field at R is 0. So B total at R is equal to 0. Okay, so let us say this is some S. Okay, so B total at R is equal to how much? BP plus BQ. Okay, plus BS, right? Superposition principle. Okay, now at R we have already found out total BT is equal to how much? Mu naught by 4 pi into 5. okay, because here I is equal to 4, I plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, suppose let us say it is at a distance x from here, okay, x from R. Okay, so now see guys, because of this the magnitude will be upwards, right? Apply the right hand thumb rule. Okay, if suppose current carrying conductor is like this, so magnitude lines, magnetic field lines will be like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so if the current carrying is like this, okay, if it is like this, it will be opposite direction. Okay, this is the right hand thumb rule, so apply here. It is going into the page. Okay, current is inside like this, so at this direction it will be upwards, and because of this it will be like this, like this. Okay, so it will have negative sign. Mu naught into I by 2 pi x is equal to 0. Okay, so now mu naught into 5 by 4 pi is equal to mu naught into I by 2 pi x. हमारा I कितना दिया है यहाँ पे देखो, 2.5 amperes current. Okay, so now this is 2.5. okay, this is 2.5, so this is 2. Okay, so x is equal to how much? 1 meter, right? X equal to 1 meter. Because simplification. Okay, so now this is the last one. Okay, 2.5 ampere current, and this is 4 amperes, and this is point R, and at a distance 1 meter we have to put another one of 2.5 amperes, so that total magnetic field at R is equal to 0. Okay guys, यहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहा है, the formula is simple. B is equal to mu naught by I into 2 pi R. Okay, its direction is given by right hand thumb rule. Okay, so B total is equal to BB plus BQ. This is principle of superposition. Okay, and already they have given V is we know that F is equal to QV bar cross B bar. Okay, now यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, magnetic field will be like this because of these 2 points. Okay, so velocity is like this, positive x-axis, so 90 degrees angle, so QVB. Okay, after that simplification, and for second one, okay, we have to find out distance from R. Okay, so that यहाँ पे 2.5 amperes place करना है such that B at R is equal to 0. So B at R is equal to BB plus BQ plus BS. Okay, हमारा BS कैसा होगा, ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में होता है, so इसीलिए मैं माइनस साइन पुट कर रहा हूँ. Okay, so after simplification x equal to 1 meters. Okay, the process is simple but important question. Okay, thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा. आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर.